In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and work with anti-aliasing in PaintNet. Let's dive right in and transform your digital drawings into smoother and more polished artworks. To begin, you'll need to open the PaintNet application on your computer. Once PaintNet is up and running, you have two options to proceed with your project. You can either open an existing image file by navigating to File and then selecting Open, or you can start fresh by choosing File and then New to create a blank canvas. This flexibility allows you to jump right into a previous piece or start a new creation from scratch. Now that you have your canvas ready, it's time to select a drawing tool. Anti-aliasing comes into play when you use certain tools in PaintNet, specifically those used for drawing shapes, lines, or adding text. If you look at the Tools window, usually located to the left of the screen, you'll find several options to explore. You can choose the Text tool, recognizable by the letter A icon. This is perfect if you plan to add text with smooth, crisp edges. Alternatively, you might opt for the Line Curve tool, indicated by a diagonal line icon, which is ideal for adding lines and curves to your design. There's also the Shape tool, which allows you to create rectangles, ellipses, or other shapes. Each of these tools benefits significantly from anti-aliasing, as it enhances the quality of the lines and edges they produce. With your preferred tool selected, let's focus on the anti-aliasing feature itself. Glance towards the top toolbar of the Paint.net interface, right below the main menu options. Here you will find the anti-aliasing option. Clicking on this drop-down will give you a few choices, but the two main ones are Enabled and Disabled. When you select Enabled, it ensures smooth, refined edges for whatever you create, reducing any unwanted jaggedness. On the other hand, choosing Disabled will result in more pronounced pixelated edges, which might suit certain styles but is generally less visually appealing. To really illustrate the impact of anti-aliasing, let's do a quick visual exercise. You can begin by drawing a circle with the anti-aliasing feature turned off. You'll notice that the circle has rough, jagged edges. Now, draw another circle, this time with anti-aliasing enabled. You'll immediately see the difference. This new circle will have much smoother edges, providing a cleaner and more professional appearance. This simple comparison emphasizes the significant enhancement anti-aliasing offers to your designs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make sure your images in PaintNet are always smooth and polished to perfection. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.